At ito nga, back to living alone na. Siyempre, lakad-lakad muna tayo. Dahil lagi na lang ako nakahilata. Kaya kailangan gumalaw-galaw. Kasi pag nababalik talaga ako dito, ewan ko, lagi na lang ako nakahilata na.
I'm going to flip over your head. But today is my first time ever. You have nothing to be afraid of. It's okay. I am professional. That is why I work on the streets. When I was your age, I was in the exact same position as you are at this moment. Now the person taking the jump told me to not move. But I moved. Now I'm black. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about to get crazy and it's about to get dangerous. Step 1, I am flipping over her head. Step 2, I'm going to be running from this side of the show. That's right, I'm going to run. I'm going to front flip over all these people, body extended, landing on this side with no hands. If you really want to see this, let me hear you say ooh. Say ah. Say hola, hola, hola.
Hola, hola, hola.
I love Coca-Cola. Guys, sorry, Charlotte, come with me, do me a favor. Sit down next to that lady, and please don't leave like my daddy left me when I was born. Yeah, you laugh, I didn't.
Hey, walk like me. Let's go. Walk it out. Yeah. Walk it out. Yeah. Let's get it now. Yeah. Ladies, I am single.
Wow, you guys are crazy. I am black, no Jesus, yo. Now, before I take this last and final flip, I would like to take some time out and introduce myself. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tommy. I see that I have plenty of kids as my audience, so I'd like to give out a positive message for the kids. Now, kids, listen up. Always remember that you are stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful than you could imagine. Do not mess with drugs, alcohol, or cigarettes because it is not good for your bodies. Stay in school, ace your grades always because education is the key to life and success. Turn down for what?
At syempre, ginutom nga ako sa pagpalakpa, kaya dumiretso ako sa may Bountiful Land Zone Roll dito sa may CBD. So, malapit lang siya sa QV or sa Woolies. Nakakatawa kasi pwede ka mamili ng klase ng noodles. May matabang noodles, kung gusto mo mapayat. Ito, ganito lang yung pinili kong noodles, para nasa middle lang siya. Tapos, ang nakakatawa pa dito, sobrang laki ng servings niya. Hindi lang na-capture sa video, pero malaki talaga yung bowl. And around $17 lang. Kaya sulit na sulit yung binayad ko. Tapos, ito ang struggle nating mga nakasalamin. Yung kapag ka mainit yung ating kinakain, lalo yung mga sabaw-sabaw, ayan, nagfa-fog. Alam mo yung parang, hindi mo magkaroon ng wiper, yung parang sa sasakyan. Wala bang ganun, i-invento, yung auto-wipe. Kaya lang masagwa naman, parang mabigat naman yun. Anyway, ini-enjoy ko na lang kahit nahihirapan ako, pero kailangan. Tapos nakakatawa pala dito kasi may table sila na pang single at pang introvert na mga kagaya natin. So may table sila na may harang yung kaliwat kanan, pati yung harap, kaya may privacy ka talaga. Dumating natin pala yung order ko sa price na nakakatawa kasi may certain products sila na kapag ka in-avail mo at na-reach mo din yung minimum amount ay makakatanggap ka ng free 200 worth of gift. At nakita nyo naman, 3 lang in-order ko. Mas mahal pa yung yung gift na natanggap ko kaysa sa pinili ko. And then, meron silang Benzac. This 50% off. Ito yung sa pimple patch. Ay, meron silang lip balm. Dr. Pau Pau. Tagalog bang basahin to? Dr. Pau Pau. Uy, wow, may SPF pa. 20. May ganun pala. Ah, pwede din siya sa skin. For lips and for skin. Nice. HC Luminous Glow Eye Cream for face. With gluta for brighter and youthful looking skin. Naman. At saka pa, Korean product, I guess. Kasi, diba? Face Day Wear Serum Hydrating. Pang mukha, siguro. Ay, face nga. Ano ba naman? Skin Physics. So, may mask. Merong Effaclar Duo. Pang pimple siguro to. AJ. Sukin Facial Moisturizer. And Retinol Cleanser with glycolic acid. Embryolis. Late Cream Cancer. Product na to. Ay, hirap basahin. So, para saan to? Dear Aloe Vera, Keratin, Function Moisturizer. Okay. Dry skin season Sensibio. Sensibio. Tapos, Dr. Lewin's collagen is a naturally... Thank you. Nakakatuwa naman.